the peculiar, the burning desire, the frosted white, and now the Monsieur, aka DIOR Savage. Okay, let's try Monsieur for the first time. One, wala pa. Two, wala pa. Ngayon na. Oh. Ang amoy ni Monsieur ay fresh, spicy, amber, citrus, aromatic, musky, and may pagka-wood scent. Amoyin ulit natin siya. Ang bango. Bango talaga ni Savage. Check out nyo na guys. 35% oil based. Very long lasting. Kaya naman, papacheck out ka kaagad. So far, lahat sila mababango. Si Peculiar, Burning Desire, Frosted White, and the Monsieur.